To Katsina State, where Governor Dikko has presented the 2025 appropriation bill of more than 682 billion naira to the State House of Assembly. Governor Rada mentioned that the bill, which is titled Build Your Future, is focused on completing ongoing projects. Abdulatif Yusuf has more.
This will be the second time that Governor Dikko Rada is presenting a budget like this that deliberately attempts to address the needs of the people based on their peculiar requests to the government. The presentation started with a summary of the previous budget, touching on key areas of its implementation and successes recorded in the last few months.
2024 budget performance. The total recurrent expenditure revenue as of October 2024 is recurrent revenue, including opening balance, is in the total sum of 501 billion 833 million 574,609 naira.
The 2025 budget has an increase of over 200 billion naira when compared with the 2024 budget. This projection will give the government better leverage to execute numerous projects lined up for the year.
Total budget size for this year, for the year 2025, is 682 billion, 244 million, 449,513,000 naira from 874, representing 23.15%. Capital expenditure has the provision of 524 billion, 274 million, 694,489 naira .51, representing 76.85%. We are spending 76.
The governor also spoke on how the state intends to finance the budget, especially now that the government is working around the clock to improve on its revenue source and stimulate the economy. Issues of security remain paramount for the people. That is why the government is ensuring far-reaching measures to end insecurity. Abdulatif Yusuf, TVC News, Katsina.